Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. When we go camping, we always bring the garbage bag, but it has a lot of other uses. We're going to share some of those with you today. We've taken hundreds of kids camping. Have you ever had a kid show up like this? I'm ready to go. This is when you need a gear bag. Instant gear bag. Put it in the trailer. If you're camping in the rain, a garbage bag easily turns into a rain poncho. Of course, the garbage bag is not breathable, but it will stop you from getting wet and it will stop the wind from blowing through, so it will keep you a little bit warmer also. Very nice. Now this may be better for little kids, but the plastic bag skirt, or I prefer to call it the kilt, is always in fashion. Forgot your ground cloth? Just use a garbage bag. A makeshift tent using a garbage bag. Very comfy. Need a little shade? Just stretch out the garbage bag. It's always important to keep the inside of your tent clean. The way that we do that, take off your shoes, sit them in the garbage bag, and put on your slippers. Thanks, Mr. Rogers. And finally, if you need to keep some food cold, just find a nice stream that's nice and chilly, a little bit of a slow moving area or maybe an eddy. Put your bag in there, make sure it's sealed up tight. Put something on it that's going to hold it down, and you've got a nice natural cooler. We hope that you've learned something new today, and we hope that you never forget your garbage bags. And please join us again at OSMEtv.